Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create eye-catching thumbnails in Canva, perfect for YouTube, social media, or any kind of video content you want to stand out. A great thumbnail can make all the difference when it comes to getting more clicks and views, and the best part is, Canva makes the process incredibly easy even if you're not a designer. To get started, head over to canva.com. Once you're on the homepage, go to the search bar at the top and type in thumbnail. This will instantly bring up a huge selection of ready-made templates designed for all types of creators, from gaming and beauty to travel, education, and more. Take a moment to browse through the templates and choose one that best matches your content style and brand personality. Once you've found the right one, click Customize this template. This will open Canva's editor where the real creativity begins. The beauty of Canva is that it's simple, fast, and intuitive. You don't need any graphic design experience to produce something that looks professional. Now, let's work on your text. This is one of the most important elements of your thumbnail because it needs to grab attention instantly. Choose a bold, readable font and a color scheme that pops against your background. Make sure the text is clear even at smaller sizes. Remember, thumbnails appear tiny on screens, so less is more. Keep your message short, powerful, and intriguing enough to make people want to click. Next, it's time to add or replace the image. On the left side of your Canva workspace, you'll see the Uploads button. Click it and upload your own photo or graphic, something that reflects the content of your video. Once it's uploaded, drag and drop your image onto the template to replace the existing one. You can resize, reposition, or crop it until it fits perfectly with the design. Using a high-resolution, expressive image can make your thumbnail look both professional and inviting. Now, take a few minutes to fine-tune your layout. Play with elements, colors, and spacing until everything feels balanced. Avoid clutter. Every part of the thumbnail should serve a purpose. You can also add icons, shapes, or background effects from Canva's built-in library to make it even more dynamic. When you're happy with the result, click the preview button to see how it'll look on different screens. If everything looks sharp and cohesive, go ahead and download your thumbnail. Always choose a high-resolution format, preferably PNG or JPG, so it stays crisp and clear no matter where it's displayed. And that's it. You've just created a professional scroll-stopping thumbnail using Canva. With its easy tools and endless customization options, you can design thumbnails that not only reflect your brand, but also grab attention in an instant. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to experiment with different templates and layouts until you find your signature style. See you in the next tutorial.